G'day folks, is your aircon on the blink? Stay tuned and I'll show you how to fix it. So this is a 2015 Toyota FJ Cruiser. I bought it brand new, and 3 years after buying it, the aircon stopped working. I had a blinking light appear on the dash. The aircon light was blinking on and off about once a second. And I took it back to Toyota, and they wanted me to leave it there for an entire day while they investigate. And I took it in, and I made sure that they weren't going to charge me for it, because I wanted to. I made sure that they didn't charge me for it. And at the end of the day, they said, sorry, we don't know what's wrong. So I drove it around, and at this point it was intermittent. It stopped working for a while. I turned the aircon light off, I turned it back on, and then it would work again for a day or half a day or an hour. But then that period decreased until it just wouldn't work at all. So rather than taking it into your Toyota dealership to have it fixed and potentially paying a large amount of money for labour for them to investigate the cause, this is the part that you need to replace. This is called a magnetic clutch relay. Just pay attention to the part number that's written on there. Make sure it's the same part number. You can get them from Toyota spare parts, or you can get them from eBay. I actually got this from Amazon. So I'll show you how to replace it. First, locate your fuse box. Just take the lid off, and on the other side of the lid you can see that it actually tells you what the fuses are, and we're looking for something called MGCLT. So MGCLT is this one here. So we're basically going to pull this out, and to make it easier to pull out, get a pair of pliers, just pull straight up, and then we get our brand new part, making sure the model number is the same. This is how the pins go in, and it goes into there, right next to the purple box. Now your colours might be different depending on the year of manufacture, but that just goes straight in. Just replace our fuse box cover and we're done. And now we just start the car again, and we can see that the aircon light is now solidly illuminated. I've got nice cold air coming out, and that's fixed. So that part costs about $80. You can probably get it for a little bit less depending on where you buy it, but that's a very, very quick fix, and you'll potentially save yourself a couple of $100s. So until next time, take care guys.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, you may choose to support the channel by buying me a coffee or making a small donation via our website, 4xadventures.com.au. You can also support us by buying a beautiful cotton t-shirt, jumper or other merchandise. If you would like a t-shirt with a four-wheel drive that isn't listed, contact me via the website and I'll see what I can do. As always, your support means the world to us and goes directly towards bringing you more great content. Thanks again for watching.